Welcome back, everyone. My name is Connor Fairbrass, and this is a 2021 Ford Bronco 4-door do-it-yourself door removal. What you're going to do first is drop all the windows, which you can do by holding the unlock button on the key fob. Then you're going to fold all of the mirrors outwards. It's a lot easier. Open up the door. You're going to see the two mounting bolts as well as the electronic plug. Pull that out. Here's a quick shot of what it'll look like without the doors on. You got your top and your bottom mount, as well as the door for the plug. Now take those door screws out with the supplied wrench and socket, as well as the door plug. You can undo those. Then you're going to find the lift handle underneath the door. You're going to lift from there and lift with the door handle on the outside. Pick it up, super easy. You can put that somewhere safe or in the back if you have the door bags. Now repeat those same steps on the passenger side door. Here it is, lifting it up with the handle on the outside and lifting from the bottom of the door, putting it somewhere safe. The rest of this process is pretty self-explanatory. It is the exact same thing as the front two doors, so take off those two bolts, take out the door plugs and lift and put both of those somewhere safe. Now if you happen to have a Bronco that is the 4-door, you can actually get door bags that you can store the doors in, protect the paint and the cleanliness of the door, and you can store those in the back trunk. Now you do also have some tie down points, again, if you have the 4-door, which is pretty awesome. You can use that for the doors. And just like that, you are completely doorless in your 2021 Ford Bronco 4-door. This took me about 15 to 20 minutes to do it. This was my first time doing it on camera. Not too long. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to have these off in no time. If you want to learn how to go topless in your 2021 4-door Bronco, click the card above, or you can go to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see more Bronco content, as I have my own coming in very shortly.